He's asking for the police. He's asking for the police, but they want to leave them. Leave them. No one.
You don't do this. Call the police. Don't touch her.
Excuse
Yesterday, this Englishman was walking and happened to meet a crowd of Muslims in London. When they noticed he was an Englishman, they confronted him with some people holding his dress. Then the man fought back and decided to change his direction, and the Muslims began shouting Allahu Akbar, which means Allah is the greatest. What everyone is wondering is that, why were they shouting Allahu Akbar? What did the Englishman do to them at that moment? Does it mean everyone in Britain must be converted to Islam, or they were doing this because of the Ramadan celebration? These are questions no one can answer, as the government seemed to be doing anything to camp out such public acts, and the media always silent about it. Well, before we continue, if you've not already, subscribe to our channel and ring the bell for upcoming updates. You won't see such in the mainstream media. In the heart of London, a city known for its diversity and multiculturalism, a recent incident has ignited discussions and debates about cultural interactions, religious expressions, and the societal dynamics at play. The event involved an Englishman who encountered a crowd of Muslims, leading to a confrontation that left many questions unanswered. While the details of the incident may seem straightforward, they open the door to deeper inquiries about identity, community, and the complexities of modern British society. On a seemingly ordinary day, the Englishman was walking through London when he came across a gathering of Muslims. As he approached, it became clear that his presence, marked by his attire and ethnicity, drew immediate attention. Some individuals in the crowd confronted him, grabbing hold of his clothing. This situation escalated quickly, prompting the man to change his direction and attempt to walk away. In the heat of the moment, members of the crowd began to shout Allahu Akbar, a phrase meaning Allah is the greatest. This chant, often associated with Islamic faith, can be interpreted in various ways depending on the context in which it is used. For those unfamiliar with its significance, the implications of such a public declaration during a confrontation can lead to misunderstandings and heightened tensions. In the aftermath of the confrontation, observers and commentators have raised several questions. Why did the crowd respond in such a manner? What actions by the Englishman provoked this reaction? And what does it signify for interfaith relations in Britain? The incident has sparked a wide array of reactions across social media platforms and news outlets. Some view the crowd's behaviour as an expression of cultural pride or solidarity, while others perceive it as aggressive or confrontational. The ambiguity surrounding the man's actions and the crowd's response has fueled speculation and debate. To fully understand the incident, one must consider the broader cultural and social context in which it occurred. London is one of the most diverse cities in the world, home to millions of residents from various backgrounds, faiths, and ethnicities. This rich tapestry of cultures adds vibrancy to the city, but also presents challenges regarding integration, understanding, and coexistence. Religion plays a significant role in the lives of many Londoners, particularly among Muslim communities. For many Muslims, public expressions of faith, such as chanting Allahu Akbar, are seen as affirmations of their beliefs and identity. However, in a multicultural society, such expressions can sometimes be misinterpreted or viewed with suspicion, particularly in the context of recent global events linked to extremism. During Ramadan, a holy month of fasting and reflection for Muslims, communal gatherings are common. These gatherings often serve as opportunities for prayer, charity, and celebrating faith. It is possible that the crowd was engaged in a religious observance, and the chanting was a form of spiritual expression rather than an aggressive confrontation. Given the sensitivities surrounding religious expressions, misunderstandings can easily arise. The phrase Allahu Akbar, often associated with both peaceful worship and, in some unfortunate instances, violent acts, has become a focal point for fear and suspicion in certain contexts. This dichotomy can lead to knee-jerk reactions from individuals who may not fully grasp the nuances of the situation. The Englishman's sudden change in direction may have been interpreted by the crowd as an act of fear or disrespect, further escalating tensions. However, it is crucial to acknowledge that the motivations and feelings of those involved are complex and cannot be reduced to simple narratives of conflict. The incident raises important questions about the state of interfaith relations in Britain. As the country becomes increasingly diverse, the need for dialogue and understanding between different communities is paramount. The lack of clear communication and mutual respect can lead to a breakdown in relations, fostering an environment of suspicion and division. When incidents are reported, they should be approached with care to avoid sensationalism and misrepresentation. Reporting should aim to contextualize events, providing audiences with the background necessary to grasp the complexities involved. Another crucial aspect of this incident is the perceived inaction of government authorities in addressing public acts that may foster division. Many people are left wondering why there seems to be a lack of proactive measures to facilitate interfaith dialogue and promote understanding among diverse communities. Community engagement is another critical aspect of fostering understanding. Initiatives that bring together individuals from different backgrounds can promote dialogue and collaboration. Events such as interfaith discussions, cultural festivals, and community service projects can help build relationships and break down barriers. Engaging respected leaders from various communities can also help facilitate these discussions. When community leaders come together to address shared concerns and promote understanding, it sends a powerful message about the importance of unity and cooperation. As we navigate the complexities of identity, faith, and community, it is vital to approach these issues with an open mind and a willingness to engage with others. By fostering dialogue and understanding, we can work toward a future where diverse communities coexist peacefully, celebrating their differences while recognizing their shared humanity.